Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novta Ferdiansyah. My NBI is 14621000251. Will make a video about computer problems. Okay, I will tell you how to install Adobe Photoshop for free. There are several steps, namely in the first step, open Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. I use Google Chrome. Then in the search column, you can type Yasir 252, click enter, then select the tab Yasir 252 Tips 3 Tutorial dan Informasi Dunia Komputer. Okay, next step is af- after that, click after that in the search column, type Adobe Photoshop CS5. Okay, enter or search. After that, click Adobe Photoshop CS5 Extend Full Version. Okay, then drag the taskbar until you find the download now button. This is the download now button. You can click download now. Okay, you can wait several seconds. Okay, because I have downloaded the file, the next step is to find the location of the file. The location is file is this PC, new volume, and Adobe. The second step after application have been downloaded is double clicking the mouse to continue installing the application. Double click. Okay, double click. In the choice you can click open. After that you can input a password field will appear. Then type www.yasir252.com. Click OK. The next step, select Setup. Double click at Setup. Then double click. Application will be installed. You can waiting the install the application. That's all the tutorial on installing Adobe Photoshop for free. Hopefully it will be useful. Thank you.